Under the soft morning rain, the village of Bramblebrook stirs, its quaint charm undeterred by the weather. Ducks near the village pond break the morning quiet with loud quacks, a lively contrast to the gentle sound of distant church bells. Inside her cozy cottage, Milly prepares for the day, her bright yellow wellies a splash of color against the warm interior. She pulls on her wellies, a cheerful readiness lighting up her face as she anticipates a rainy day adventure. With her wellies on, Milly stands, ready to explore the rain-kissed village, her spirit as bright as her boots. The cottage door opens, and Milly steps out, eager to greet the day with an adventurous heart. Milly slips her feet into the wellies, unaware of the chaos about to unfold. The wellies begin to wiggle and jiggle uncontrollably, possessed by a mischievous energy. The rogue wellies bolt out the front door, dragging Milly into a surprising chase through the village. Her face flushes with a mix of surprise and determination as she frantically tries to keep up. "Oi, come back!" Milly shouts, her voice echoing through the village streets as she pursues the runaway footwear. Through Bramblebrook, the runaway wellies begin their whimsical journey, leading Milly into a spontaneous adventure. Daringly, the wellies leap over puddles, their vibrant colors flashing against the serene backdrop. The wellies splash through a shallow brook, scattering water droplets like glittering jewels. Bewildered ducks watch as the wellies playfully dance around them, inviting them into the spectacle. The ducks eagerly join the parade, their waddling adding to the joyful chaos of the procession. The scene explodes with vibrant colors and playful energy, a testament to the unexpected joys of a simple adventure. The wellies halt triumphantly in the heart of Bramblebrook's muddiest puddle, a testament to playful mischief. Milly, catching up with glee, prepares to leap into the muddy abyss, ready to amplify the chaos. A colossal splash erupts as Milly plunges into the puddle, unleashing a torrent of mud. Mud splatters with wild abandon, painting the surroundings in earthy tones. Mrs. Puddle is caught in the crossfire, her shock turning to dismay as she becomes an unwilling canvas for Milly's muddy masterpiece. The once pristine Mrs. Puddle is now adorned with mud, her refined composure shattered by the unexpected deluge. In Bramblebrook, Milly's wellies give a subtle wiggle with each rainy day, hinting at undiscovered adventures. Milly smiles, holding on to the magic hidden in the mundane. The camera reveals the charming village of Bramblebrook, now bathed in the glow of a rainbow. Every puddle has a story, appears on the screen, concluding the tale.